Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix the Instagram black screen issue. This problem can be frustrating, but it is often easy to resolve. To start, let's understand the possible causes of the black screen issue on Instagram. It can be due to a poor internet connection, outdated app version, corrupted cache, or a glitch in the app. First, try restarting the Instagram app. This is often the simplest solution to the problem. Close the app and reopen it to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is necessary for Instagram to function properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the issue is resolved. Next, check for updates in the App Store. An outdated app version can cause compatibility issues, leading to a black screen. Update the app to the latest version and see if the issue is resolved. If you are using an Android device, clear the cache and data of the Instagram app. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select Instagram. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. If you are using an iOS device, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh start. Also, try disabling the battery saver mode on your device. This mode can limit the performance of the app, leading to a black screen. In some cases, the issue may be due to a glitch in the app. Try logging out of the app and logging back in to refresh your account. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try contacting Instagram support for further assistance. They can provide you with more specific solutions to the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram black screen issue and get back to using the app. Remember to always keep your app up to date and maintain a stable internet connection to prevent such issues in the future.